how much should you actually spend on outdoor power tools? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, cordless handheld leaf blower. First up is the Dub 185Z cordless handheld leaf blower from Makita. Priced at $99.93, this tool instantly caught my eye with its sleek design and lightweight build. If you want an efficient way to clear leaves and debris without the hassle of gas or cords, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this blower stands out. It runs on an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery, meaning you can enjoy powerful performance with the convenience of cordless operation. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the airflow to match your needs, whether you're gently blowing leaves or tackling heavier debris. Plus, it has 3 air volume settings, low, medium, and high, giving you flexibility. And honestly, the vacuum function with a dust bag is a fantastic bonus for keeping your yard tidy. This really matters because it ensures you can tackle any yard cleanup efficiently. Now, some people complained about the noise level, which is 94 decibels. Here's the thing though, if you're out in your yard, a little noise is a small price to pay for the convenience this tool provides. It's not overwhelming, and if you're used to gas blowers, this will feel quieter. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-use blower for regular yard maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty commercial cleanup. For the price, it offers solid value, especially for homeowners. Now, if the noise level of the Dub Z bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with added versatility. Product number 2, portable power inverter. Next up is the Echark portable power inverter, compatible with Makita 18V batteries, priced at $45.53. This little gadget grabbed my attention for its practicality. It's a must-have for anyone who needs to power devices on the go. If you're looking for a way to keep your electronics charged during outdoor activities, this is worth a serious look. It converts your Makita batteries' DC power to AC, allowing you to charge devices like phones, tablets, and even small appliances. With 200 watts of power, it's equipped with 2 USB ports and a standard outlet. This means you can even run your laptop while camping or during power outages. Plus, the built-in 2000 lumen LED light is super handy for emergencies. This really matters for you specifically if you find yourself in dark settings or need a light source while hiking or fishing. Now, some reviews mentioned that the inverter can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, considering what it offers in terms of versatility and power, the size is manageable, especially compared to traditional power banks that don't deliver nearly as much power. This is perfect for you if you love camping or need a backup power source at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. It's a solid value for outdoor lovers, giving you reliable power wherever you need it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision tasks. Product number 3, subcompact multi-tool. Third on the list is the XMT-0 4ZB18V LXD registered subcompact brushless cordless multi-tool, priced at $182.22. What caught my attention here is its compact size combined with impressive power. If you need a versatile tool for various outdoor cutting tasks, this is worth a serious look. Let's talk features. The anti-vibration technology significantly reduces fatigue, which is essential for those longer projects. Plus, it's compatible with a range of Starlock accessories, expanding its versatility even further. This matters for you because it means you can tackle anything from trimming branches to sanding surfaces without needing separate tools. Some users expressed frustration with the limited battery life when using it at higher speeds. Having a second battery on hand can easily solve this concern. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or need a reliable tool for precision work outdoors. Skip this if you prefer heavier-duty tools for large projects. For the price, it's a strong value given its capabilities. Now, if the battery life is a concern for you, the next product offers some serious power without that drawback. Product number 4, 4-speed impact driver. Next, we have the XDT19Z18V LXD registered brushless cordless quickshift mode TM impact driver, priced at $183.42. This tool really caught my eye with its high torque output and flexibility. If you need a powerful driver for fastening tasks outdoors, this is absolutely worth a serious look. The 4-speed selection helps you tailor the power for different applications, from delicate tasks to heavy-duty jobs. The assist mode is a great feature that helps avoid screw cam out, making your work smoother. This matters specifically if you're working with various materials and need precision in your fastening. Now, some users have mentioned that the weight might be a bit on the heavier side. But honestly, with the kind of power it delivers, a little extra weight is a trade-off I'm willing to make. It's not excessively heavy, and it provides the performance you need. This is perfect for you if you often work with a variety of fasteners and need reliable power. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight option for casual use. It offers great value for serious DIYers or contractors. Now, if you're looking for something lightweight yet powerful, the last tool on our list might just be what you need. Product number 5, brushless cordless blower. Finally, we have the XBU03Z18V LXD registered brushless cordless blower, priced at $183.41. This blower caught my attention because of its balance of power and portability. If you want an efficient tool for clearing debris without much fuss, this is definitely worth a serious look. The variable speed trigger gives you control over the airflow, and the speed lock feature allows for continuous operation without tiring your hand. This is crucial when you're dealing with larger areas or more stubborn debris. It's lightweight at just 6.5 pounds, which makes it easy to handle for extended periods. This really matters because you need something that won't wear you out when you're tackling yard work. Now, I did notice that some users found the battery life to be shorter than expected during prolonged use. Here's the thing, though, if you manage your use and have spare batteries, this isn't a deal breaker. It's designed for efficiency and ease, and that's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight blower that can handle regular outdoor tasks. Skip this if you need something for heavy commercial use. It's a good investment for homeowners looking for a reliable blower. So to wrap things up, we've explored 5 fantastic Makita tools that cater to various outdoor needs, from the handheld leaf blower to the versatile multi-tool and powerful impact driver. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. In summary, the DUB 185Z leaf blower is perfect for homeowners needing simplicity. The Echark portable inverter is ideal for outdoor power needs. The XMT04ZB multi-tool excels in versatility. The XDT19Z impact driver delivers power for serious tasks. And the XBU03Z blower combines portability with performance. Depending on your specific needs, any of these tools could be a great addition to your outdoor arsenal.